Artoonza.
Hey there, snack-tastic artists! Before we dive in, give this video a big thumbs up, like you just won a hot dog eating contest. Now buckle up, because today we're drawing a hot dog sandwich so juicy, it practically needs its own napkin.
Wow.
And a can of soda so fizzy, you'll swear you can hear it pop.
Aw, so cute.
Grab your marker like it's a squeeze bottle of mustard, and let's get squiggly. Warning, this hot dog is meat-nificent. And no, you cannot actually eat your drawing. Trust me, I've tried. Paper doesn't taste great. The coloring party is about to get deliciously messy. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Uh-oh, the soda can just declared itself a tiny fire truck, splattering red paint everywhere like it's late for a ketchup parade. We're going bold and fire engine red today because subtlety clearly wasn't invited to this snack party. Grab your brush, it's about to get deliciously loud.
Aw, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. Enter the mustard squad! We're drizzling on sunshine yellow paint like it just won an award for best condiment.
Wow.
Because mustard is basically edible confetti. Bright, zesty, and totally unapologetic. Sneaky green sneaks in like a salad crasher, adding veggie vibes to our snack party. Time for the main event. Bun and sausage magic. We're mixing brown and orange paint like a snack scientist, cooking up the perfect toasty bun and juicy sausage color because plain brown is boring and plain orange is basically a traffic cone. Blend them together and boom, instant hot dog realism. Grab your brush, it's mixing time. Smash that like button now. Cool blue shine makes that soda can sparkle.
Aw, so cute.
Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.